back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing an all-day clean with me. I'm so excited to be filming this video. Cleaning videos are like my favorite to watch. I could watch them all day long, whether I'm cleaning to it or just laying in bed. I find it really satisfying. So yeah, I hope that this video can bring motivation to you guys like it does for me. Let's just go ahead and get started with all the cleaning. So I've been meaning to go through this. Well, this is just from my makeup that I did before, but I've been meaning to go through this drawer forever now. So I think we're unfortunately gonna do that today. No, I'll be really happy when it's done, but it's gonna be quite the task. And also this drawer doesn't open all the way because I built it like 5 years ago and I did it wrong. Yeah, we're just gonna get started with this.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.
So I'm starting out by deep cleaning my desk, and my desk really needed this, so I'm so happy that it's done and over with now. If you guys have a space like this where it's really cluttered, a drawer or a section in your house or apartment, then I encourage you to tackle that today like I did, because it took like over 2 hours, which I wasn't expecting that, but I really thoroughly cleaned it and it feels really good now. So I highly recommend at least choosing one space in your house today to clean. So then I'm just wiping down the glass surfaces with Windex, and I literally took the whole like glass piece on top and wiped that down, and yeah, just wiping literally everything down, all my makeup, and yeah, I think it came out so good. Okay, so this is what we ended up with, and the drawer looks so much better. Again, it doesn't open all the way because I built it when I was like 15 and I built it wrong, obviously. So it doesn't come out all the way, but it works. These are just clean clothes I need to fold. And then this is just like electronic stuff that I felt like shouldn't be in there. So I'm gonna find a new place for this. And then, oh, I do need to put the Google Home back, but then we will be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with a load of laundry. And this is my new favorite contraption. We got this off Amazon just because of everything going on right now in the world, the situation. We normally go to the laundromat to do our laundry, but because of everything going on, we want to minimize contact as much as possible. So we got this guy off of Amazon for around $200, and I'll link it down below. I highly recommend it. There was a crack in it when it came, but I still recommend it. I think we're getting a new one sent free of charge because there's a crack in it. Then I'm gonna snap my fingers and do the laundry. I really wish we could do this in real life because folding is one of my least favorite things, but it's gotta get done. So then David had gotten home with the groceries, and we will switch on and off going to the grocery store. Sometimes I'll go, he'll go, or sometimes we'll go together. But yeah, so we wiped down each product individually with some disinfecting wipes just because of everything going on right now. We're trying to be really careful in avoiding getting sick. So that's just the reality of things now. And then I'm going to switch out the clothes. Like, it's really confusing, but with this thing you have to like spin dry it. So you wash it for 15 minutes, then spin dry it for 2 or 3, then rinse it out, and then spin dry it again for another 5 minutes. So it is a process, but it's definitely worth it in order to not go to the laundromat. So, and then I just hang it up on this new drying rack that we have, and yeah, it's a pretty cool process. So it was pretty late at that point, and I still needed to cook dinner, so I just called it a night and then started again in the morning. And so I'm just finishing up the room, like wiping down the nightstands, and then I'll pretty much wipe down almost every surface in here, and then I'm going to vacuum and mop.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep.
So I recently got the Dyson V11 animal vacuum. It was actually a gift, and it's like my favorite thing ever. It is awesome. I love the different attachments. I feel like I can clean places I couldn't really clean before, so I'm really a huge fan. But just wiping down the windows, which really needed it, and especially because the cats love to walk like on it, especially when the window's open. I just want it to be clean for them, and you know, their paws, then they step on the bed and whatever, so it's nice for everything to be clean.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide. What this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
I used to hate vacuuming, but now with the cord-free vacuum, it just makes it so much easier. You don't have to, you know, lug around the wire and unplug it and plug it in every time, you know, you move. So I just really like the Dyson, but even if you can't like get the Dyson, just like any cordless vacuum, they're life-changing. And then I'm just Swiffering with this Lysol like lemon multi-purpose liquid. I got like the refill bottle and then diluted it with water, and I'm just using an old floor cleaner bottle because I like the way it distributes it.
I am running for you. I am running for you.
So once I put everything that was on the floor before I vacuumed and mopped back on the floor, then I'm going to move into the kitchen, and I'm just putting away some lunch that I had out that I was just letting cool before I put it away. And then I'm gonna get started on the dishes. I'm just wiping down the counter first so that I can, you know, put the clean dishes on a clean counter. My boyfriend always says like, well, why are you cleaning it before? You're supposed to clean it after. And I'm like, but the dishes are clean. Why are you putting the dishes on clean dishes on a dirty counter? But anyways, then I'm just doing the dishes, and I didn't incorporate all the footage because I feel like it was a lot of hand washing. But if you're new here, I don't have a dishwasher, so I am the dishwasher.
Even though there's overdue, we had a fire, now we're watching it burn low.
Then I am just cleaning up the pet station, so wiping out their water bowls, and then I'm going to wipe down the baseboard just because, I don't know, it was looking kind of dusty and I don't want that dust falling in their water or food or anything. And then I realized also the spice little hanging, I don't know what to call this, hanging shelf, it's a shelf, I guess, was looking pretty dusty. So I just wiped that down so again it's not like falling into their water or food or anything, because that's gross and I wouldn't want that to happen to my food, so I'm not gonna let it happen to theirs. So yeah, then I'm just vacuuming up their station, and I swear I could clean this every day and it would still look like I never cleaned it like the next day, because they're just really messy cats.
Struggling to come through, we had a fire that we watched it burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough.
Then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down all the appliances, like the stove, the outside of the oven, the outside of the microwave, and the fridge. It did cut out the footage of me spraying the stainless steel spray on the fridge, but I swear I did it. It just cut out. Then I'm just going to wipe down the sink station, and this is another place that I swear I could clean it all the time and it still gets so grody. I don't know.
Demons pushing on my triggers. Demons pushing on my triggers. Demons pushing on my triggers. Demons pushing on my triggers.
Then I'm going to deep clean the sink with this Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner in lemon verbena. Sometimes I'll just use dish soap, but when I want to do like an actual deep clean, I will use this, and I find that it gets it really shiny and clean. So we don't actually have a garbage can, which I kind of want one, but we don't really have the space for it. So we just kind of hang the bags on the cabinets, and that means that they can get a little dirty when we're putting stuff into the bag. You know, just kitchens are grody. So we had a bit of garbage and boxes piled up. This is just from one day. I know, it's crazy. But yeah, we try not to go out. Normally we would bring it out more often, but you know, when we get back we have to wash our hands and disinfect the door handles and everything. So it's just a little more of a process than normal. But yeah, we stepped out to throw all that away and recycle it. So then when I got back, I just decluttered the kitchen table and then wiped it down with some disinfectant spray. Then I am just trying to get whatever I can off the floor, and then I'm going to vacuum and Swiffer.
There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for
And it's crazy what this thing picked up. This is just from today. Granted, I cleaned the air vents and everything, but still, it's just crazy what this picks up. And then I'm just taking some Lysol disinfectant spray and spraying down all the door handles. Considering everything that's going on right now, I especially think it's good to do this. And then I'm just going into the bathroom, and I actually had deep cleaned it a few days ago, but it's crazy how dirty it gets in so little time. Like, not dirty, but it was really dusty already. So I just did a quick wipe down of the sink, the mirrors. I actually forgot to do the mirrors when I was cleaning a couple days ago. And then, so I'm just doing the sink and the toilet and just a quick vacuum.
It was never under my control, you know.
When I cleaned a couple days ago, I had washed the bath mats and I did a full vacuum and mopping, so I really just felt like it needed a quick vacuum. But that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any requests for future videos, please leave them down below. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it and that it motivated you. Bye guys. Mwah.